When I started learning English 3 years ago, I truly thought I would never be fluent. Understanding people felt impossible to me. They spoke really fast and everything sounded confusing. But 3 years later, after making English part of my daily life, through TV shows, journaling, reading, and even talking to myself in English, now after all that confusion and effort, I can confidently say that learning English changed my life and opened so many new opportunities. In this video, I'm going to share 5 real reasons learning a new language can change your life too. Number 1, it builds real confidence, not just in language but in life. Getting to the point where you can speak and understand a foreign language builds a whole new level of confidence. It's not about being able to say, I speak 2 languages. It's about knowing that you can follow a conversation, understanding shows or movies without subtitles, and even explain your thoughts clearly. That kind of a skill makes you feel capable in ways you didn't think possible before. For example, I remember the first time that I understood a song that I used to like a lot before I started learning English seriously. I remember that I used to listen to that song, but I didn't understand completely the lyrics. But then after some time of practicing, I realized that, oh my god, I could understand the lyrics without looking at the subtitles or anything. I feel like, oh my god, I feel like I'm learning, like I'm actually improving and understanding things that I didn't understand before. Moments like that reminds you how far you've come. If you're trying to build your confidence, I honestly recommend you to start learning a new language. Confidence is not only about how you look, it's about what you can do. Every time I understand something new in English or follow someone speaking naturally, it gives me this boost that reminds me of my progress. It's like proving to yourself that you can overcome challenges and succeed. And for me, that feeling goes beyond language. It gives you confidence in everything else you do. Number 2, it opens doors you didn't even know existed. I'm currently a college student in the US, and English is required for all of my classes. Before I started college, I was really scared I wouldn't meet the standards of higher education in the US. But guess what? I'm now in my 2nd semester. I've met so many new people and learned about different cultures. I've also had the chance to work in positions like waitress or banquet server where English skills are essential. These are just a few examples of how English has opened up new opportunities for me. Your experience might be really different, but I'm confident that learning a new language can help you grow personally, connect with others, and build resilience along the way. Also, let's not forget about the cognitive benefits of being bilingual. Several studies have found that bilingual speakers are better able to control attention and stop distracting information than are monolinguals, people who speak only one language. This is because both languages are constantly active in the brain of a bilingual speaker, and this cognitive workout leads to increased mental agility, which basically means that when you get older, you're gonna be more capable of doing things that require mental effort. Being bilingual is beneficial in preserving brain function and helps protect against cognitive decline in late adulthood. Number 3, you start thinking differently. I read in my psychology book for one of my classes that developing a bilingual mind actually makes you more aware of other people's perspectives. You don't just learn words, but you learn to understand how others think and why they think the way they do. From my own experience, I've noticed this when I speak with someone who speaks a completely different native language than mine. The way they see the world, the choices they make, and even the way they solve problems can be very different from mine. At first, it was a little bit surprising, but then I realized that it's all about culture differences and the impact that culture has over us. Learning a new language doesn't just teach you words, it teaches you empathy, cultural awareness, and a new way of thinking. You start noticing things about your own culture and your own habits that you haven't noticed before. And this because you can compare them with another perspective. And honestly, I feel that's one of the most powerful things about becoming bilingual. Number 4, you can connect with more people. Before I started fully communicating in English, speaking the way that I do now, I felt a little bit isolated because I couldn't communicate with people outside of my own circle. I was just speaking with other people who speak Spanish, and I wasn't like taking the opportunity to get to know more people, and all because I was like a little bit scared because I couldn't understand them. But once I learned English, it was like a whole new world open up. I could meet people from all over the US, people from different countries, from different cultures, or even connect online with people that I would have never met otherwise. For example, using apps like HelloTalk, I could be able to talk with native speakers, practice English with them, and learn about their lives and culture. At first, it was kinda hard because I was really shy, I was scared of making mistakes, and every conversation felt like a challenge for me because I was constantly translating in my head. But also, every conversation made me feel more confident and more connected. If you also feel kinda shy of speaking English with native speakers in real life, you can just check HelloTalk. You can find native speakers from all over the world and start practicing your English online. If you want to try it, just check the link in the description below. Learning a new language doesn't just help you make friends, it also helps you understand them. You start noticing jokes, expressions, and small cultural differences that you might have missed before. So if you want to meet new people, learn about new cultures, or just feel more included in the world, learning a new language is a powerful way to do it. Learning a language is not just about the words, it's about connecting with people. Number 5, it proves to yourself that you can do hard things. Learning a new language is hard. At first, I made so many mistakes. I felt like I would never get it. I feel like I wasn't like good enough in English, or that I would never understand real conversations. But every day I practiced, every day I tried again, I got a little bit better. And slowly I realized that I can do this. Like, I can do hard things if other people did it, why I can't. When you learn a language, you don't just learn words, you prove to yourself that you can set a goal, work hard, and actually achieve it. And that confidence spreads to everything else in your life. You start believing that you can face other challenges, try new things, and grow as a person. So if you're thinking about starting a new language, remember this. It's not just about the speaking and understanding. It's about growing, becoming more confident, and proving to yourself that you can do things that you once thought were impossible. Learning a new language can change your life. It can give you more confidence, open new doors for you, help you meet new people, and even let you see the world in a completely new way. I truly believe it can do all of this for you if you decide to start today. If you found this video helpful or inspire you in some way, don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments below what motivates you to learn a language. Thank you for being here, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.